Hello and welcome to this brief overview of Anaplan's new Dashboard Creation Guidelines app. This app shows Anaplan's best practices and guidelines for creating dashboards that are consistent and appealing to the end user. Following these examples will give your model a consistent, high-quality look and feel. As you can see from this welcome screen, we have the dashboard examples split up into three key areas: admin dashboards, which are your welcome screen and setup dashboards; navigation menus, which would be the landing dashboards for each user role within the app; and input and reporting dashboards, which are the key dashboards where users build their plans and monitor their activities. As we go into the welcome screen example in the admin section of dashboards, you can see that there are a set of guidelines of best practices used on the right hand side of the dashboard. These guidelines are what should be followed when setting up the welcome screen dashboard in your own app. The rest of the dashboard gives you a visualization of the guidelines so that it's easier to understand. This is also true for the setup screen dashboard. As you can see, the guidelines are located on the right, and the rest of the dashboard shows those best practice guidelines being used to mock up this type of dashboard. Next, we have the navigation menu dashboards. These are what the end users would land on when opening up the app. As you can see, there are three types of navigation menu examples that you can view, each with their own unique circumstance and use case depending on your app. Like the admin dashboards, there are the navigation menu guidelines located on the right of the first example, telling you what these types of dashboards should consist of. Finally, we have the three examples of input and reporting dashboards, which are the core dashboards in the app that show the analytics and plans represented by grids and graphs. Like the other two types, there are guidelines on the right of the first dashboard example that show the best practices for these dashboards. The first dashboard example is of a simple module being on a dashboard along with action buttons. The other two examples show how dashboards should be set up using graphs, maps, and modules. To help you customize your dashboards even further, there is also an approved icons and symbols dashboard within the app. From this dashboard, you can see which icons are approved for all App Hub models across all web browsers. To use these in your own app, you can simply copy and paste these icons or follow the guidelines on the right to access them. So this should give you a high-level overview of what Anaplan's best practices are regarding dashboard creation guidelines. It is a living app that will evolve over time as the platform evolves and new best practices become standard. In that perspective, we encourage all Anaplanners to give their feedback and even propose new best practices. Whether you are a customer or a partner, come and share your best practices and examples with the community. For more information, visit Anaplan.com or contact us at apps@anaplan.com. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoyed it.